Okay, so today we are going to continue working on our unmasked face portrait that we started last time. So if you didn't start this last time, you can watch the first tutorial for the video. But today what we're going to do is we are going to add color to this, and we're going to write our words that describe us, okay? So first, let's start with the words. We're gonna open this up. We should have left a space down here at the bottom. So down here at the bottom, I want you to pick at least 2 words. You can have 2 to 4 words that describe you. And I want it to describe the great person that you are. And we want to be a little bit more creative than just cute or pretty. What makes you special? So I'm going to think about things that make me special. I'm very artistic. So I'm going to write artistic, and I'm going to write it in kind of fun letters. This is a chance for you to use all your fancy letters if you've got fancy letters. Artistic, okay? Gonna sound it out if I don't know how to spell it. And then what's another word to describe me? I think that I'm very caring or kind. So I'm gonna write, and let's write kind. I'm gonna write it in bubble letters. This is a chance for me to practice my cool bubble letters. K-I-N-D. And notice that I'm writing with this with a pencil in case we spell it wrong and we need to fix it, or we make a mistake, because those bubble letters can be kind of hard. We're going to write it with a pencil first in case we make a mistake. That way we can erase it if we need to. But I did a pretty good job, so I'm going to go ahead and trace over it now. And now we get to use color. You can use crayons or colored pencils. Either one is fine. But I'm going to make these look really bright and kind of pop off my page, because this is what makes me special. This is who I am on the inside. I'm kind and I'm artistic. And maybe you are some of those things too, but maybe you have different words to describe you. Maybe you're sporty, or maybe you're silly, maybe you're funny, maybe you're responsible, maybe you help out at home. I want you to think of all those great words that describe what makes you special, okay? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add color to both our masked face and our unmasked face. So I'm gonna start with my closed face, and I'm going to make my mask, and I'm gonna fill this in. I'm gonna use some colors, whatever you have at home, markers, colored pencils, crayons are fine. I like crayons for this one, so I'm gonna use crayons. But I'm gonna take my time, and I'm really gonna slow down to fill in this space. I want it to look nice and neat. That's my expectation for you today, that this will all be colored in nice and neat. And that takes a lot of time, and I get it. I know that you're gonna get tired. If your hand gets worn out, you can stop and just like take a little stretch break with your hand. But we really wanna make these look nice. That's part of being an artist, is really taking your time and giving your best effort to make something look nice, okay? So that's my expectation for you today. Because this takes a lot of time, I'm gonna kind of fast forward this video, and you're gonna get to see the progress. Okay, I finished my mask. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna think about my skin color. And my skin color is really light. I have really light color skin, but you might have a different color skin. I want you to think about the beautiful color that your skin is, and I want you to find the best mark making tool that you have for that. So if you have crayons, you might have something kind of like this. If you have colored pencils, you might have something kind of like this. And you know what? That is definitely not my color, but you have to think about the color that you have and the color that's closest to your beautiful skin color. So I think I'm gonna use this peach because that's pretty close. So I'm gonna color in my skin color here, okay? And I'm gonna take my time to stay inside the lines. And I'm gonna need to color today both the inside of my skin and the outside of my skin, okay? So I'm gonna color this in. I'm also gonna need to pick a color for my eye color. My eye color is green. Don't forget, in the middle though, everybody's dot in the middle, that's gonna be black. So we'll need to color that in black and leave the white parts of your eyes right in there, okay? You're gonna color that in. Okay, so when you're done, you should have all of your face colored in. The only white part should be the whites of your eyes, and if your mask has any white on it, you'll leave that part white. But I want you to take a video of it and show me that unmasked face, and make sure that you've got your your words about you that make you special. And mine are kind and artistic. You can put that, or you can put something different that make you unique, okay? So take a video and go ahead and show it to me. Great job today, guys.